Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn that how to convert a Python program into an executable window program. So let's get started. First come into terminal and run the command pip install autopy to exe. Autopy to exe is a built-in Python library which we are going to use for converting a Python program into an executable window program. So it is downloaded. Now the next step is to run this library. So for running the library you will run the command autopy to exe. It provides simply a user interface where we can convert our Python programs into an executable window program by simply selecting them and then clicking a button named convert.py to .exe file. Here, this is my Python program. It is simply text editor which we are going to convert into a executable program. So first we check it. Okay, this is our program. It is simple a text editor which I have built using Python. And now I am going to convert this Python program into an executable window program. So go here and simply select the Python program you want to select. Simply select it, and then I want to convert into a window based, and then simply convert. It will take some time. Yes, it is done. Now simply open the output folder. This is the file it has created, and you can see its type. It is an application, means it is a .exe file. You can also check it here in the output folder in text editor.exe file. Simply double click it and it will run. Yes, you can see that it is working fine. I am writing some text in my file and I simply save it. Yes, you can save it. Thanks for watching.